What's good, y'all? How y'all doing today? This is a little new for me, different little setup. So I just wanted to show y'all something real quick. Um, one of the trades that I had took like today. Um, so this week, it was been a little different, a little challenging. Um, you know, one thing I just want to let y'all know, trading. I'm 18, bro. I'm a young kid. I'm over here. I'm just trying to make a difference for myself. I started trading like 6 months ago. Um, Keeping it real, I'm not profitable yet. Um, I'm still dabbling, trying to find me a good strategy. So far, this one has been working out so well for me. So, um, yeah, but let me just show y'all something. Okay, so this was like a trade in the New York session PM trade. So what are we looking at here? All right, so first thing I did, I went on a higher time frame. Let's just say I went on like the 4 hour. I was looking at the 4 hour and the 1 hour. And so we understood that price was kind of, the drawn liquidity was 100% higher. We were taking out a lot of buy side, right? We're just going higher, 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 right? As we can see on the 1 hour, what am I looking for? So I want to work. Okay, here we go. 1 hour. Same thing. We're taking out all these highs. Now here, this was this 1 hour fair value gap, right? And we had another fair value gap price made. I labeled this as support. Um, let's just go down to the 5 minute, the 4 minute. Right. All right. So immediately come down. Right. This is what I'm looking at right here. This support right here, and this zone right here with price. I don't know if it's how you can see. Right. Let's go up to the 1 minute. Why I took this entry. After I did my analysis, realizing that price was coming in to take out buy side liquidity, meaning that the drawn liquidity was higher. Right. Now this is here where I started to start to see some shit. Right. We had this volume imbalance here in price, meaning the volume imbalance is kind of pretty much just when buyers and sellers there's an area where they're both trying to mitigate price, push price down into one area. Now, as we can see right here on this volume imbalance, price um, didn't know where it was going to go, but eventually the buyers pushed out, and we broke this previous lower high, right? So when I saw this volume imbalance, I knew the drawn liquidity was higher. I knew we were coming to possibly take buy side. So I entered here, right? Entered here, right? So when I entered, price made this fair value gap. That fair value gap was the last, right? And that was perfect. Made this fair value gap. We didn't get a close, not a single close in that fair value gap, not a single close. We went up, took out interior buy side, and we kept going higher. I'm not gonna lie, I originally had my target here, targeting this high up here of this previous swing high. But I was like, no, I didn't want to be too greedy. Um, so I took it here. I took like 154 ticks. That's what it was. 154 ticks. Um, and I had my original stop loss when I entered like somewhere down here. My original stop loss. I know I entered like right here. This was my entry right here, right, and I targeted right here. Right, my stop loss was here. It's kind of a big stop, but once that fair value gap came, I was safe, right? And then as soon as we came up into like this range, I moved my stop. And once we came like right here, I moved my stop fully to break even, and eventually I put it in profits. And then I just let it play out. I'm not gonna lie, I was coming from class. I left class and I checked, and I see we got filled, so I was perfect. But yeah, one thing I just want to talk to y'all about real quick. Um, if you really, really, really want to like really change your life, bro, I'm telling you, you can. I'm not, like I said, I'm not profitable yet, but I'm trying to do something, different. I want to change my like something for myself and just, be overall. so I can like tell my future, kids or whatever people, in my family that this is what I'm doing. You know, um, I'm in college. I'm I'm trying to be a finance major and stuff. So, trading is it's like a good thing for me. But I'm not gonna say this is going to be like the biggest thing that I want to just do in the rest of my life. I want to become profitable in trading, but I have bigger goals and more stuff I want to really do to get out there. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not saying you have to trade to be able because I mean this is very risky. If you don't really put the time and effort, you know, um, if you're not logging your trades, if you're not really trying to take the time to really learn markets, it don't matter. I promise you, it don't matter. So, but this is gonna be for all my people who really, really, really want to make a difference. All kids my age, who really want something for themselves. Because I'm telling you, you can easily go get it. You just have to really put the work in and be willing to, you know, get it. You know, but yeah, it's a little bit of a longer video, so I hope y'all enjoy. Stay tuned for the next one.